Hi, I just received a box with orchids from eBay seller. I purchased 3 plants and this is the plant that actually started it all. You know, when you promised yourself that you're not buying any more orchids, suddenly you see something that you really wanted. This is Dendrobium Hibiki. Not sure if I'm saying it correctly, but this is the actual tag. And I've seen this orchid in many videos. I think many people have it. And I made a mental note to myself that I would really like to have this Dendrobium too. And so when I decided that that's it, no more orchid purchases, I see the listing on eBay with this plant. So of course I had to go and buy it. So this is my Dendrobium Hibiki. And there are not blooms, but I think it's buds. But I don't think they are good because they're a little bit dried. The whole plant seems a bit dehydrated, but there is a new growth started. So hopefully in tank it will bounce back up. And then of course Dendrobium wouldn't want to travel alone in a box. So I've added him to friends. One is Catasetum. It's Catasetum pileatum jumbo green gold. It has pretty fat pseudobulb, so I'm hoping that it will start new growth soon. And I looked at the pictures of this plant. It looks really cool. It's like white flower with green cheeks and yellow throat. I already have one Catasetum and it did bloom for me, so I guess it made me believe that I can grow them, so that's why I bought the second one. And the third plant in the box was Phalaenopsis. This is Phalaenopsis hybrid, primary hybrid between Phalaenopsis speciosa and Phylacea forma indigo. Phalaenopsis Germain Vincent. This pretty large plant. There is 3 spikes. Oops, this is old flower. The flowers are already going away. You can see they are nice flowers. I like this cross. I wanted it it was not at the top of my wish list, but I'd like to have it. And here they are all repotted. I just repotted them because they were in moss that was pretty dry and I didn't want to keep them all in moss. So I potted Phalaenopsis into my mix of pine bark with sponge rock into plastic pot. I had to trim a lot of roots because roots were too long and they had some damage. I'd rather to cut them off and let it grow new roots, because in a tank that is warm and humid, it will have no problem growing new roots. It's too bad that flower's already almost gone. I can see it had nice flowers. Now the Dendrobium I potted into coconut husk chips. I found this medium works good in a tank. It's not very wet, and these pots, they have holes, so there is some air circulation, but also it keeps humidity, it keeps some moisture to let the roots have some moisture. So I have my Dendrobium farmeri potted into this CHC, and my Cattleyas like it too. So this is Hibiki, all potted. And my Catasetum I just put it into slightly damp moss, into a small pot, and I will put it into a tank and we'll wait until new growth will start. Then I will probably repot it into a bigger pot. So those are my new plants. It was unexpected purchase, but I think it came out pretty good. They're good plants. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.